Hello and welcome back everyone to another edition of Ars Electronica Home Delivery. This week's focus is on our cooperation partners in Upper Austria, and in this sense I am honored to present to you two projects by the Johannes Kepler University, one of our main cooperations partner, specifically by the Institute of Machine Learning. The Johannes Kepler University was one of the first European universities that offered a master's degree course in artificial intelligence. So we have pioneer work here in Linz. Let's talk about the first project. First project is called Live Object Detection. And as you can see, the software outlines me in blue and says he's 100% sure that I'm a person. Can differentiate between 80 different objects, like this bottle here, pair of scissors, big clock. So how does this work? How has this program been made to do what it's doing? There's a neural network behind it. The neural network, as usual, the software is only as good as the training data used to make him understand things. So in this case, the training data is 80,000 pictures in 80 different classes, so 80 different objects, each object around 10,000 times. And the neural network got trained with this data set. So it learned the differences between the classes, the similarities inside the classes, and most importantly, the context in which objects are shown. So why this technology is so revolutionary is because it can put things into context, which was not possible years ago. But because it puts things into context like that, it's also prone to wrong diagnostics. Like I have a screwdriver here. Apparently, screwdriver has not been in the data set, but if I hold it to my mouth, like that, it gets identified as a toothbrush, and it jumps between like 70 and 90%. Because this software has been shown a bunch of times the context in which a toothbrush is used, but not what a screwdriver is. Okay, so let's go ahead to the second program. Second program is called OpenPose. So it's based on OpenPose, I'm sorry. OpenPose is a free software that enables you to re-render videos. For example, if you look at what we display here, with the standard OpenPose software, you can add this effect to videos. But in our case, the Johannes Kepler University made this installation so it is a live image feed. As you can see, moving around, it can track my movements. It can also differentiate between left and right. As you can see, my side right shoulder is orange. And if I turn around, it still knows, okay, that's the back of a person. There are also experimental settings, like you can track every single joint of your fingers or your facial points. But as you can see, it's kind of lagging. It's on 9 frames per second, so experimental setting. Yeah, despite this running on one of the most powerful computers we have in the house, only topped by one other, I think, it's still, yeah, it's a proof of concept like that. It can't be implemented that way. But with the availability of free software, everyone can download and participate, like TensorFlow, which is just a huge toolkit full of formulas and algorithms that are used in machine learning and training neural networks. With these things being so widely available, I think we are in for a lot of wondrous new things. In the standard museum, when it's open, I always like to ask people, yeah, that's nice and all, but what do you think this could be implemented into? The first answer and most correct answer is always self-driving cars. Because as we saw earlier in the demonstration, identifying a human being in his vicinity of the camera is not that hard. It has been done for years, really quickly. But in traffic, it's much more important to guess what the person could be doing. Like this software enables it. Like if I stand straight, then my posture is recognized and the systems in the cars know, okay, this person is standing, this person won't be moving in the next half second or second, and I can pass without slowing. Or for example, if I stand with my back to the car would be able to recognize, I haven't seen it yet, I haven't recognized it yet. Yeah, with the pioneer work that our cooperation partners and the Johannes Kepler University are doing, I'm sure there are a lot of exciting new projects coming up, and yeah, hope I've made it a bit clearer for you all. Thank you.